It's 8 p.m. on a Tuesday night. I guess get on with your bad self. I have no idea what's going on out there. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I forgot to change the site, so Today's video is brought to you by Skillshare. I will be telling you guys a little bit more about them later on in the video, but let's go ahead and hop on into the unboxing for today. This is from the Women's Collective. I do believe we have done an unboxing of this box maybe one time before on the channel. Oh, it's perforated. I guess I don't need the knife. What are you doing? What is this? It's two snow cone trucks. Why are they trying to sell children snow cones at 8 p.m. on a Tuesday? Alright, so today we're going to be doing the Women's Collective box. This was sent to me by the Women's Collective, which was very, very nice of them. I do really like the outside of it. The artwork is super duper cute on here. All these lovely ladies dressed up in cute little flowery designs and ready for spring. Everything in this box was created by women or a woman-owned business, so that's really cool. Let's go ahead and get on here and see what we got. First little thing that we have is a very cute little sticker. It says, "Together we rise," and it does come with a magazine that tells you about each of the women involved with the items inside. This box is a quarterly box. It is $54.95 according to the website. The first item we have in here looks like a print. It says, "Let's make it together." It has a bunch of different ladies on it. This is from Gingerbread. Zest for your nest. That's a zesty little tagline. This is a very interesting print. I like the colors in it. They're kind of like muted tones that are really popular right now. It's a nice kind of like graphic looking print, a little bit modern, so that is cute. Ooh, this looks very cute. So the next thing we have in here is like a mustard colored journal. Planner? What is this? Planner journal. On the front it says, "Look to the sunny side," and then on the inside, this is interesting. Nope. Dang on, lights are way too bright, but oh, that's because it's a blank page. On the inside here, we have kind of like a planner page, and then we have a notes page. I actually do like how this is set up. So basically you can do it by week and then like have your little notes for the week. So I think that's really cute. Which when we get started talking about our sponsor for today, I do mention my failure to be able to plan and or be productive or stay on track or task. So things like this are just, they're good and I should use them better and more often. This just happened to be in front of me right now. This is my current planner. Let's go ahead and see what we got planned for March, shall we? Whew, we're real busy, aren't we? I wrote something down for March 1st and then just gave up for the rest of the month. But I do like how this is laid out, so maybe it will like, you know, entice me a little bit more to like write in it and actually keep track of some things, plan some stuff out, be productive, a functioning member of society. With that being said, let's hear a word from today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. I have been loving taking Skillshare classes, and right now currently I am taking the course Productivity Masterclass Create a System That Works by Thomas Frank. I have been following several of his productivity courses. I even watched them like over a few times because let's be honest, I need some help, like lots of help in the area of productivity and actually like achieving tasks. I'm sure it's not surprising to you guys, but if you're like me and you struggle in that area as well, productivity classes can be a great way to help structure your time and set achievable goals. Skillshare offers a membership with meaning where you can connect with fellow creatives and enter a community of encouragement, communication, and inspiration. Whether you're looking to fend off boredom, focus on self-care through creativity, or just enter a creative community, Skillshare is the place to keep you learning. Right now, the first 1,000 people to click the link down below in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and then after that, it's only around $10 a month. Thank you so very much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and helping to support the channel. Oh, more coasters. Okay, so the next thing in here is a little set of coasters. I just received coasters in another subscription box, but you know, you can never have too many coasters. This is what I really do enjoy about these boxes. This little card here says, "This coaster set was handcrafted with love by women artisans in Odisha, India. Artisans craft these coasters from locally sourced 100% sustainable sabai grass." So that is really cool. Look how cute this is. It's like a little bow made out of the grass itself, and the coasters are hand woven. That is really cute. Ooh, okay, so this is what I'm smelling. It smelled really good in here and I was wondering why. This is from Moonlit Skincare. This is the Slumber Bath Salts. I love the packaging on this. That holographic with kind of like a galaxy looking solar something going on up there. I think that's pretty cute. Oh my goodness, they described all my personality traits here on the back. It says, for those with stress and tension, sore muscles, dry skin, anxiety, and restlessness. It's yeah. I don't know how they formulated this specifically for me, but that's so nice of them. I can smell it through the packaging. It smells really nice. There's definitely a very like herbaceous scent to it. It smells like lavender, nice and relaxing. Ooh, okay, so the next thing in here, it looks kind of macrame-y. This is, I'm assuming, a plant holder, or at least that's what they used them for in like the 70s. You put like a little pot in here, like a little plant, and you hang it. But this kind of stuff is definitely making a resurgence nowadays with kind of like boho style. So it is just a macrame plant holder. I guess you could put other stuff in here if you wanted to. I've seen macrame like fruit holders. However, this might hold like one singular orange. That would be kind of cute though, like hanging it up in your kitchen and it just would hold like one, your orange for the day. I actually do have another one of these that my mom got for me for a gift for either my birthday or Christmas or another event that you get people gifts for. It was one of those. It was locally made by somebody here in town and I think it's super adorable too. They did a fantastic job, so I'm thinking maybe when I get like my back porch area done, I'm gonna hang these underneath like the protected section and put a couple like, you know, little pots of plants in them and hopefully they stay alive. Or I could just get fake ones and no one would ever know. All right, you guys, and the very last thing in here comes in a little drawstring bag. This is from Ocean. It sounds like it's some type of jewelry. Ooh, these are super cute. Okay, so it is some jewelry. We have a little pair of earrings here. I think these are really cute. I've seen a lot of like this shape recently where it's kind of like a circle with like just half of it's filled in with something. I do think these are really, really cute. However, I don't know if I can stab them through my ear holes because I don't know if this is even still like an ear hole anymore. A weekend or two ago, I was gonna go to a friend's birthday party. It was just like a small little thing. We were going to a pizza place, like eating outside on the patio and stuff. And I showed up dressed in this exact tank top with a blue jean jacket and leggings because I don't wear anything else on my lower half than leggings. I arrive at their house before going to the restaurant and they're like dressed. They're like looking real cute, real pretty. They had on like some fancy tops and some cute little boots and like things and I was like, oh. Here I am. I tried to like jazz up my appearance a little bit. My friend was gonna let me borrow some earrings and yeah, I tried shoving it through. Didn't go. So you know what, I'm just gonna try again today. Maybe it's loosened up since then. This one's fine. This one I can get through. It's this one over here that I don't know if is like a functioning portal anymore. Oh, also I'm really sorry about my voice. It's super raspy and scratchy today for some reason. Okay, yeah, this ear actually doesn't like work anymore, so I guess if I want to continue to wear earrings, I'm gonna have to do something about that. But this is what it looks like on the ear and the one that actually, you know, has a hole in it. It's a little bit far away, but from what I can tell, I think it's pretty cute. The earrings are also like really lightweight. They don't feel like too heavy on the ear, but they still feel like good quality. So yeah, I actually think these are really cute, and if I ever get my other ear fixed, I'll probably wear them. Hello. So I don't know what happened, but like the last section of this video was just like missing. And to be fully honest and transparent with you guys, I don't even know if I filmed it to begin with. Like I literally don't remember if I even filmed like an end portion to this video. Okay, so we saw everything that came in the box. We got the print, we got the earrings, the little notebook, the grass coasters, and then the macrame hanger. I do think all these items, my tongue hurt so bad where I bit it. I do think these items are really cute. Some of these things I'll get more use out of than the others. Like, I personally don't know if anywhere in my house necessarily has colors to like support a print like this, but it might, so I might be able to find like a place for this. You know, some of the stuff I'm gonna get more use out of than the others, but I think with boxes like this, some of the value really does come with like the message behind the box. So for instance, this box, like everything is like about women's business and women's creativity and supporting women in business, supporting small businesses. So, oh, we also got that scrubby thing. scrubby thing. There's another product, there's bath salts in there as well. So for me, like, you might look at this and be like, okay, almost $60 is a lot for these items because we're so used to getting like subscription boxes with, you know, one item in it is worth like $200, which happens a lot with these. But I do like that there's value associated with like supporting small business, supporting women, supporting creativity, supporting artisans. It's all really a lot of what you find personally valuable. Now, I'm not saying that just because something has like a good meaning behind it, that it's like good or it's worth it. I've been seeing recently a lot of companies are saying like, oh, we do this for the environment, or we do X, Y, and Z, and we plant trees and we do this, and people are starting to question if they actually do those things. So not necessarily everything that has like a good cause behind it or has like a good message is actually good and valuable just for that cause or message, if that makes any sense. I don't know if I make any sense whatsoever, but I guess what I'm trying to say is for a $60 box, you're probably not getting like the $300 plus value that we're used to seeing in a lot of like kind of $60-ish subscription boxes with something like this. But if you value the cause and the message behind it, that adds value to it, at least for me. So anyway, I do think the stuff in this box is cute. I would love to know your all thoughts and opinions about this down below in the comments, but just let me know what you guys think about this box. And I guess we'll never know if I ever filmed that last portion of the unboxing or if my mind just stopped working. It's likely the second thing. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so very much again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!